fella is woken me up, scared the absolute daylights out of me because he got locked out of his room. Good help's hard to find, I tell you. So we're on Spencer Street and we're just about to head out for breakfast. Yes, it's a little bit dark still, but it's 7 o'clock in the morning, so we're hungry, it's time to eat. Having breakfast in one of the little lanes in Melbourne today. So there's not a lot of boats open, but we're going to give it a go at getting something to eat here. So we're at the Carlton exhibition buildings at the moment. I'm going to go into Melbourne Museum, have a wander around there this morning and see what we can find and learn. Heading into the Triceratops exhibit at the moment within the Melbourne Museum. You'll wander through here and check out all the many features of it. So this Triceratops was actually found virtually intact. When the asteroid hit the Earth and wiped out the dinosaurs, it was already a fossil, so that's how old this skeleton was. But they reckon from the tips of its horns right through to the tail was virtually intact, which is quite amazing. At the top of the dinosaur exhibit now, looking down on many skeletons. It's quite amazing how they put these skeletons together. They're a big jigsaw puzzle, but with nothing to actually indicate how to put them together. Now that would be a jigsaw. We wandered out of the museum going towards IMAX and we came across these people having a bit of a dance just on the main area of just out in front of IMAX, really. Obviously doing some fitness and exercise and getting together as a community. Good to see. So we're seeing an underwater vision thing of in IMAX, so it's a 3D thing. With old Trav, we're going to wander down these steps and we're seeing an underwater thing narrated by Jim Carrey. Obviously I can't take Vic in there, but it's all 3D and it's just amazing to go in there and have a look. So it's a little bit early for us to hit DFO, but we are waiting with bated breath overlooking the Yarra River. We've just been discussing what we're doing today, so it's a DFO day today and then we're going to go to Artvo. So Artvo is a bit funky and weird, but we will learn about that very shortly. It's time for a ciggy and choke the lungs up a little bit more. And as old fella says, why not? Even though I'm older than him. The amazing Phar Lap, all stuffed and preserved, literally stuffed. There's Trav. We just read on their little sign here that he actually died in California in 1932. 17.1 hands high and born 1926, 4th of October 1926. Imagine getting bitten by this. This is a mozzie, 70 times the size of a regular mozzie, and they're just showing us what they look like up close. That would hurt if you got bitten by that sucker though. That's a weevil, and that one's 100 times its normal size. Now the female bull ant, she looks a bit ominous. She's actually 22 times the size and looks very vicious. And at the back is fruit fly, and at the front is just a normal, what do they call, shiny sheep blowfly. One at the back, imagine that one at the back eating your fruit. Wouldn't have much fruit left. So this is a show of how Melbourne used to be many years ago. It's not even that busy today because of all the shutdowns that we've had over the last 2 years with COVID. Interesting to go back in time though. Should go back to when the trams were just horse-drawn. Then we go right back to time where it was horse and cart. Just horse and cart. So we're in Artvo now. We're standing near the penis. So as you wander around here, you've got to take photos of different things. You get into these little positions, they show you a dot on the floor and where to take the photo. And then you get all the weird and wonderful photos. No trip to Melbourne would be finished unless you caught one of the trams, and these are the old version trams. So this is the Melbourne Centennial Exhibition tram, and this is a Collingwood and Clifton Hill tram. So quite an amazing piece of memorabilia, this one. There's old Trav. We're wandering around the exhibition building still. There's lots to see through here, lots and lots. Market. We're testing out the sugarcane juice today, and we're having a wander around Queen Vic markets. We've been through the fruit and veg and the delicatessens. We're going to go through some of the souvenir type of shops now and see what that looks like. See if we can pick up a bargain. We had a big bargain hunt yesterday, which was good. So it's not too busy at the moment, but I'm sure it will get busier later in the day. Fellow wandering through the Vic markets. We're walking up, looking at all the different little goodies we can possibly buy. This is the big football game now. Heading into the MCG, gate 4, here we come. Away we go. We've got the tram down here today. There's actually not that many people sort of flooding in at the moment. We're a little bit early. What time is it? It's 20 to 1. The game starts at 2. So let's see how busy it gets.
Don't wanna